Hey you guys, it's Ivy, and today we're gonna be doing a hair video. Y'all know the drill. So I wanted something natural, sleek, but I also wanted some layer to it. And you guys, this wig came out so pretty. So the unit I used today is from Westkiss hair, and the unit came already pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It was a kinky straight unit. All I did was go in and silk it out, and I cut some layers in it, and it's giving natural, you guys. It's giving hair, it's giving scalp. And the lace looks so good. The lace looks so good, and this is a glueless unit, okay? And that's what, y'all, that's what I'm loving, these glueless units where you don't have to do much of anything. Like y'all see how quick that was. That's literally how easy it was to install this unit. And I love that they now come with bleach knots. I don't even have to use my lace tint spray. Everything just melts into place, and it just looks so pretty. And I used the jumbo iron curling iron just to achieve this look. I just did like big curls all over. Very simple. So if you're interested in getting this look, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. I have on my wig grip. You guys know this is my favorite thing to wear under my wigs. It protects my hair. It keeps everything nice and in place. It has this velvet like band right here that keeps your wig from sliding back, and it just makes everything just fit really good on my head. Now I don't have braids. I just slick my hair back and put on my cap, but let's get right into our wig. So the wig we're using today is from Westkiss hair. It comes in a really cute box, you guys. Isn't this box so cute? Inside, we definitely have some goodies. We have an edge elastic, a bonnet, a wig cap, an edge brush. You can never have so many of these. And here is our beautiful unit. So this unit does have undetectable HD lace. It's 22 inches, and it's a cap size medium. This is how everything comes packaged, really nice and intact. This is how your wig looks when you take it right out of the box. So this unit is pre-cut for you. It's very nice, you guys. It comes with the built-in elastic. It also comes with combs. I'm gonna take all of that stuff out. I wear this wig grip, and I don't really, I don't need the elastic, and I don't need all of that stuff. And this is a really nice cap. Look at the cap. I love that nice cap. This is gonna fit super good on the head. So I'm just gonna take off the combs. It's really easy. You just cut one little thread, and it just comes off really simple like that. I really like that the lace came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I'm not gonna have a lot of work to do at all. So I'm gonna show you guys just how I put this on. And I really like this cap. It fits super good on my head. Look how seamless and blended that is. Wow. I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut a little bit of the lace. Not a lot, because you guys know I have a really small forehead, and usually I have to go back in and customize my thing. This is pretty perfect. I only have to cut like a little bit. They really did an awesome job bleaching the knots. I'm gonna be using my Old Faithful Eco Styler gel. So you guys might know this is how I do my baby hair. I like to kind of like sculpt it first with product, and then go back and cut, and then re-sculpt. I do it like this because, y'all, I stay doing too many baby hair, or just it don't come out exactly how I like it. So if I can see what it's gonna look like before cutting it, I save myself the hassle of messing up my wig. So I'm just gonna go in and cut. So you guys, not too much. And now I'm gonna take my dryer brush from Royale, and I'm just gonna press out the hair a little bit so it's easier to flat iron. Now I'm gonna go in with some hair wax, and I'm just gonna place it on the top here, because you don't want your wig looking big and bumpy. Like, you don't want to go outside with your wig like this. Okay? Yeah, we don't want to go outside like that, okay? See how nice and flat that got? You don't want to skip this step. So I'm just running the hot comb through, trying to just get it as nice as flat as I can. Okay guys, so everything is nice and flat. Okay, I'm gonna take my flat irons, my Babyliss Pro Nano Titaniums, and we're just gonna go through and silk out the hair just a little bit. And you just want to do this in small sections depending on how straight or silky you want your unit to look. Super small pieces, but medium-sized pieces. And you guys will see how the hair looks. The hair does get nice and straight, but it still has that nice texture. See? It still has that texture to it. Beautiful.